Hey guys, it's me, it's English teacher Matthew, and I'm back again with another video. Hey guys, by the end of this video, you'll know how to use possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are used when we want to say when something belongs to somebody else, or something belongs to something else. In one of my previous videos, we learnt about the subject pronouns, so we need to remember them now. So, I is my family are British, you is your phone is very good, we is our class starts in 5 minutes. They is their home is very big. Now he remember is for a boy or a man. He is his. His computer is very cheap. She, for a girl or a woman, is her. Her name is Sarah. And it becomes its. Now be careful with the spelling, because it apostrophe s is it is. We can just spell it its, its. Okay, so let's recap. I is my, you is your, we is our, they is their, he is his, she is her, and it is its. Okay, great, well done. Thank you for watching my YouTube video today, and I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Maybe you can practice using these possessive adjectives in the comments below. And remember, if you have any English language related questions, please leave them in the comments below too. If you have any friends, of course you do, share this video with your friends, especially if they're learning English. Remember to give this video a like, and remember to hit the subscribe button. Check out my website, teachermatthew.com, and you can find my other social media links in the description below too. So thank you for joining me today, and just remember, keep practicing.